In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen share in Discord without a black screen. If your viewers are seeing nothing but a blank window when you try to share, the issue is usually related to how Discord interacts with your graphics hardware. We'll fix that by adjusting two settings and restarting the app so the changes take effect. First, open Discord and head to User Settings. That's the little gear icon near the bottom of the app. In the Settings menu, find the Advanced section. Here, turn off Hardware Acceleration. Hardware Acceleration hands some visual tasks to your graphics card for smoother animations, but on some systems it can conflict with screen capture and cause the black screen problem. After you toggle it off, Discord will prompt you to restart. Go ahead and let it close and relaunch so the change is fully applied. Once Discord is back up, return to User Settings and go to Voice and Video. This is where Discord's screen sharing options live. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Use our latest technology to capture your screen, or similar wording depending on your version. Toggle this off. That feature enables a newer capture method that works well on many machines, but it can clash with certain drivers, GPUs, or specific apps. Turning it off tells Discord to use the more compatible capture method instead. Now restart Discord one more time. A quick restart ensures the capture engine reloads with the new settings. It might feel redundant, but it's the most reliable way to lock in the fix. After Discord relaunches, start your call or stream like you normally would. Click the screen button, choose what you want to share, and go live. In most cases, your audience should now see your screen clearly instead of a black box. A couple of quick notes to keep expectations clear. With hardware acceleration turned off, Discord's interface animations may be a bit less smooth, and your CPU might handle a little more of the workload. That's normal and generally a fair trade-off for stable screen sharing. If you prefer, you can always revisit these settings later and experiment. Just change one option at a time and restart to compare results. That's it. By disabling hardware acceleration, turning off the latest capture technology, and restarting after each change, you'll resolve the black screen issue for most scenarios. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you share your screen in Discord without any headaches.